Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. Today we're doing April 15th through the 21st. You guys, I am going to use just one set of stickers, and they are coming from the Dollar Tree, and they are the Butterfly Wall Creations Jumbo stickers. So there are so many stickers. I bought them for a DIY project, but holy smokes, they are so cute. I had to use them. So we're going to go ahead, and it does not matter the size of these beautiful stickers, because what I'm going to do, this one's going to be so quick, so easy. And I'm going to go and I'm going to kind of place these. It's exactly at this point where my camera decided to go into full slow motion. So I had to speed it up, and when I sped it up, all my voice disappeared. But look at how pretty this all comes out. I still wanted you to see how I did it and show you that I only used a few of those butterflies. Now I'm going to cut this open, and then I'm going to take some markers after I'm done. And I picked a few different colors, and I'm just adding some dots here and there. And then I'll show you. It'll be coming up right now with the new marker. And we're going to do just a little bit as well. The colors, you really can't tell the difference with these. Some of them you can. But when they're so far apart, they just all look blue. Yeah, that is beautiful. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'll end up using one of my blue markers to fill all this in, and we're going to have a beautiful blue butterfly page. So quick, easy. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know. I'd love to see your pictures. You can go to Beauty and the Stampers Facebook page and put your pictures there. I love seeing them. All right, have a wonderful day and have an exciting week. Bye.